Additionally, there has been a recent increase in regulatory scrutiny around the world, with some countries even considering banning cryptocurrency trading altogether. However, despite these, many experts still believe that Bitcoin has a bright future ahead. In fact, some are even predicting that Bitcoin's price could reach as high as $100,000 in the coming years. But for now, it seems that we may be in for some short-term volatility. So, what's the basis for the $27,200 price prediction? According to technical analysis, the current resistance level for Bitcoin is around $34,000. If Bitcoin is unable to break through this level, it could potentially revisit its recent lows of around $28,000. This is where the $27,200 price prediction comes into play, as this is the next level of support that Bitcoin may test. However, it's important to note that technical analysis is just one tool in predicting the future price of Bitcoin. There are many other factors, including macroeconomic events and adoption rates, that can have a significant impact on the price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin has always been subject to fluctuations, which has made it both attractive and risky for investors. Recently, the value of Bitcoin has been on a downward trend, with its price hovering around the $30,000 range, down from its all-time high of nearly $65,000 in April 2021. Over the past year, several major financial institutions, such as JP Morgan, have announced plans to offer Bitcoin trading services to their clients, indicating that the asset is gaining acceptance as a legitimate investment. Many companies, especially in the tech industry, have started accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment, which could help boost its value in the long run. Moreover, some experts argue that the recent decline in Bitcoin's value is only temporary and that the asset is likely to recover in the long run. They point out that Bitcoin has experienced similar price drops in the past, only to rebound even stronger. Additionally, the fact that Bitcoin's price is still significantly higher than it was just a few years ago indicates that the asset has the potential for long-term growth. While the recent decline in Bitcoin's value has caused concern among investors, there are still reasons to be optimistic about its long-term prospects. Factors such as increasing institutional adoption and the growing use of crypto. However, investors should remain cautious and do their due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency. As mentioned earlier, as the market continues to fluctuate, about China's crackdown on crypto mining and Elon Musk's tweets about the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining. The market sentiment is further dampened by regulatory uncertainty in many countries, including the United States and India. They point to the growing adoption of Bitcoin by institutional investors and corporations as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Additionally, the increasing acceptance of Bitcoin as a means of payment by merchants and businesses may further drive up demand for the cryptocurrency. This event reduces the number of new Bitcoins that are created, making the cryptocurrency scarcer and potentially driving up its value. The last halving occurred in May 2020, and some experts believe that the effects of the halving may not fully manifest until several months or even years later. As more people adopt cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's network effect may strengthen Bitcoin. While it is important to take a look at these technical indicators and chart patterns, it is also crucial to consider the larger